Happy New Year, and I pray that this year will bring us a lot of good news and blessings. If you're planning to start your fitness journey this 2025 and you want to stay consistent at it, my advice would be that you start with simple, manageable steps. Start with something as easy as going for a walk, 5 to 10 minutes workout daily. Avoid jumping into 30 minutes to 1 hour workout routine. We often start and fail because we want to do what others are doing, forgetting that everyone has a starting point. Most of the fitness influencers you admire today all started small and built their way up over time. The key here is to start at your level and grow from there. Remember, consistency matters over perfection. So do have a wonderful week. Bye.